What's up, everybody? The weekend's almost here and we're back again with another video. Let's do this.
So, what are you going to do today, honey?
Today I will be mounting a TV inside of our master bedroom inside Grace.
Finally!
Yeah, this has been on my honey-do list for quite a while.
Too long.
I'm finally getting to it, getting it done. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to move right into Grace and go get this project done. All right. Before we tackle this project, what I'd like to do is go over some of the items and tools that I'll be using to get this project done. First off, what I'm going to show you is the wall mount itself. It is a Wally LED LCD articulating wall mount. It is model number 1330LM. This is the mount itself. You can see how it articulates. Now it also comes with this quick release bracket that you will need to mount to the back of your TV first, okay? Some of the tools that I'll be using today, starting with my stud finder to make sure that we can find a stud on the inside of the wall to get a nice tight grip. A small hammer. I'm going to be using number 12 1.5 inch wood screws. Okay, make sure that if you get these wood screws that you make sure that the threads go all the way to the top of the nail head to make sure that you have a nice snug and secure fit from the screw into the wall mount into the wall itself. It's a big help. I'll be drilling pilot holes with my drill bits. I'll be using a 3/16 drill bit. After I drill the pilot holes for more security, I will use my anchors, my plastic anchors, that I will tap into the holes with the small hammer. Also, I'll be using my cordless drill, my impact driver, just in case I need to use that. And for added safety, what I have is a travel TV safety strap. Now what this does is you strap this to your TV while you're in motion so that your TV doesn't bounce and shake while you're traveling to your destination. And basically it looks like this. So what you'll do is you'll take your screw, you have your strap with a hole, you will drill a hole into the wall, screw your screw into the wall on each side of your mounting bracket, one on the left side, you take the other one, screw that in on the right side. Once those are screwed into the wall itself, you'll bring the straps around to the front of your TV, connect, and then pull tightly to make sure that you have a nice snug fit and that your TV isn't moving while you're in motion. All right, I'm going to leave links to these items in the description below just in case you want to tackle this project yourself. And we're going to move into the master bedroom now. It's going to go rather quickly because it takes a little time to get this project done. But what I definitely wanted to do was show you everything that you can use just in case you want to use this mount and do this project yourself in your own RV. All right, so let's move into the master bedroom. Okay, we're inside the master bedroom right now. What I'm about to do is go ahead and put our TV up inside the bedroom. This is a TV that we had in our former travel trailer that was in the living room, but now we're going to use it here inside Grace in our bedroom. It is an Insignia Roku TV, 30-inch TV that we're going to be installing today. So what I've done so far is I've made myself a couple of marks so that I know where I'm going to put my TV bracket. I've also leveled it with my level here to make sure everything is straight. So what I'm going to do right now is drill a couple of pilot holes before I mount the bracket into the wall. Okay, my pilot holes are drilled. I'll take the TV bracket, make sure it's right side up. Put a screw in the hole. Put it in by hand. So for the bottom one, I'm going to use another screw and a screwdriver. So now I have the bracket in place, sturdy, it's not moving. I'm going to take the TV, connect it to this part of the bracket. Now that that's on, I have two screws that I need to mount to the back of the TV and the bracket so it doesn't turn. As you see, it's turning right now. So I'll do that next. Okay, now my two screws are in. TV is mounted onto the bracket, nice and level. Right where I want it to be. What we'll be able to do is swivel the TV to any position that we want to. And what I'll do next is go ahead and plug it in, hook up the cable to the back, and see how everything looks. Okay, we have the power source hooked up, also hooked up the cable to the back of the TV. Let's see if it turns on. There we have it. All hooked up and ready to go. All right, if you have any comments, please feel free to put your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this install. If you have any questions, ask the questions and I'll be glad to give you any answers that you need. And we will see you on the inside. Thank you. Okay, I am back inside now and I've got that project all taken care of. Kim, you happy now?
I'm very happy now. The only thing is that we were supposed to go camping this weekend, but because of the weather, we actually canceled it. So this week would have been our first time using the TV with it actually mounted on the wall, but
it is what it is. We're
Yep.
going to use it the next time that we go camping. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, the thumbs up button, and also,
please make sure you subscribe to our channel so we can keep bringing you videos.
and if there are any comments that you have, make sure you leave those comments below also, because we will definitely get back to you. So on that note, we're going to say, here's hoping that you have a wonderful weekend. Bye.
Bye.
All right, so on that note, we're going to say have a good weekend. And nope, I messed that up.
That's okay.
Don't.